Today's at-home workout is a 10-minute cardio workout with your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read. So I've designed this workout specifically that if you, one, want to get super fit, two, if you want a really intense workout, but also if you are someone that wants to start running or is already a runner, because what this is going to do, it's going to help increase your fitness, your stamina, your endurance. So it is a really lovely workout to do as well as doing your normal running training. So how it's going to work, we've got 10 moves, no repeaters. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. What I would say, if you haven't already, always do my warm-up first. You can find it on YouTube. Then when you're ready, I'm ready to start training you at home today. So here's a preview of the first move. The first move, we're going to be doing what I call trio stability jumps. So you're going to do 3 hops from one side to the other, then we do 1 star jump. So let's get ready and come into position. So give me 3 of these and now star jump. Take it 1, 2 and 3 and then star jump. So just continue that. You can see the timer bar on the right, that represents your 45 seconds. So this first move is a really good lateral jump. So this really going to help with your stability, helps with leg strength, and by adding in that star jump as well also really works with your reaction time. So let's just keep that going right till we reach that timer bar. And then what we're going to be doing is, just so you're prepared, we're going to do 15 seconds where you run, and then I'm also showing you the next move coming up. All right, we're nearly finished on move 1 and take it from one side to the other. Okay, so I want you to follow me on the right and run, but just have a preview of the next move coming up. So the next one is what I call step back arm sprints. You're going to step back, you hold it, and then you do 3 arm sprints. So let's come into position, step back, 3 arm sprints, come up, step back, 3 arm sprints. That's good. Keep that going. So you can see again here, we've got that timer bar. We're just going to keep going till we reach the top. So this one here is really good to work your lower body endurance. It's great for really helping to also stretch out through your hip flexor, and by adding in the arms, we're really working arm endurance, plus we're working the core. So let's just keep that going. So as I said, this workout is great if you just want to get super fit. It's also really good if you are a runner or want to start running, and just keeping that going. Nice control. So we've got no repeaters today. All these major moves are individual, so it's fun. It's going to fly by. So let's come back now to your interval, 15 seconds jogging, and let's have a look at your next move coming up. So the next one is balance and speed arms. So we're going to do it where you do your running arms and then you come up onto a calf raise. You just hold for a couple of seconds. So this one here, really good, as said, for balance. So reach up, hold, and now sprint arms for 3. Come up, hold, and then sprint arms. So when you do that balance there, really focus on keeping those core muscles pulled in tight. And if you want to, you can hold that for a little bit longer. And nice control with the arms. Swing that through. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And with running and with fitness in general, it's about working your whole body. It's about working all components of fitness. It's about your balance, your flexibility, your strength, your endurance, your stamina. All right, that's good. So keep going. Nearly finished on this one. And then we'll take it straight back to your 15-second interval run. So take that through. So let's have a look at move number 4. It's what I call oblique knee drives. So we'll do half on one leg, then half on the other. So you're going to start in a split stance for me. And this one here, obviously, as it says, really good for the obliques, working through your core. So one leg behind. Now draw that knee up and just swing those arms over. So this one here, as said, what we're activating is what's known as your internal and external obliques, and you use your trunk, your core, those muscles a lot when you're running. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, driving that knee up, so you're just drawing those arms over. And let's change, take that to the opposite leg. So the knee comes up and you're drawing the arms across your body. So knee is still pointing forwards, hips are pointing forwards. That's good. Nice control. So really feel that through the waist. That's really going to strengthen and tone through your abdominals. Last little bit. All right, well done. So bring that straight back to your run for me now. Let's have a look at move 5. So this is a glute drive. You take both arms above your head. So it's really good for balance. The leg is bent and you're just going to squeeze that behind. So we're activating it from your glute muscle, and we're also halfway through this workout today. Arms up, core is tight, and drive that leg. That's it, 2, 3, and now take it to the other one, alternating. So if you really struggle with balance, place one hand by the wall, but you'll find the more often you do this workout, the more you improve this. So keep those core muscles engaged, and you do that by keeping that belly button tight into the spine. All right, that's good. Nice control. Arms stay up. So this one here is really good for your core stability, stabilization, plus we're really helping to strengthen through that glute muscle. And we're also working through the hip flexor, really good. So that's going to open up your stride with running. And last little bit to the top. All right, you know the drill. Let's bring it straight back to your run for 15 seconds, and you can preview the next move. So this one, imagine you are cross-country skiing. So we're going to do that, but we're also going to just hop from one side to the other. So it takes a bit of getting used to this move, but it's a really great total body move. So this one, think about it, you're working your entire body, your arms, you're also working through your abdominal section, plus through the lower body. And if you want more running videos, I have got a whole series of 4 on my YouTube channel. They're virtual runs, so you're running in different backgrounds. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can follow for more of those. All right, that's good. Well over halfway on this move. That's good, keeping that going. And remember, with fitness, every time we exercise, we are investing in your future fitness. We are taking control of your health. All right, back to your jog now. So jog that on the spot. Next move we're going to do is trunk rotations and kicks. So we're doing 4 of these trunk rotations, and now you're going to kick and kick, then bring it back. So you do 4 of each. So let's get ready. Arms up and give me that trunk rotation, coming up and down for 4, and then 4 of these power kicks. So with these trunk rotations, keep the hips still. So again, we're just working through those obliques, through your abdominals, and 4 of those power kicks. So again, total body move here, great for your fitness, ticks every single box. That's really nice on this one as well. And really put some power in those kicks for me now. 3, give me 2 and 1, doing really well. It's so nearly finished today's workout. And give me that kick and kick, well done. And again, take it to that twist, that's good. Last little bit, you can see that blue bar is nearly filled. All right, so bring it straight back now to that run on the spot. So next move, we're going to do our single leg swings. This one is all about balance and flexibility. So you're going to have your arms crossed over your chest. You go 4 swings as far in front and behind as you can. So again, if you struggle a little bit with balance, please just place a hand on a wall. All right, but you'll find how much this improves from this workout. This workout is going to improve your flexibility, your stamina, your endurance. It's going to burn a whole load of calories. It's going to get you super fit. It's going to get you strong. It looks after your heart, does everything. All right, that's good. And just keeping that going. So really important here that we keep those tummy muscles pulled in, and you're naturally engaging them as you swing that leg in front and behind. All right, that's good. Nice control. Upper body stays nice and straight. Keep it lifted, nice and tall. All right, so let's have a look at move number 9. So again, bring that back to your sprint for me. So this one, simply just a power lunge. And as I'm a big fan now of lunging backwards, much better for your knees. So you're going to take that leg behind, raise both arms above your head as you do it. So the benefit, especially if you're a runner, for doing lunges is, 1, it's obviously going to really strengthen through the quads, but doing these deep lunges also gives us a little bit of a hip flexor stretch, which a lot of the time hip flexors become really tight. So this is really good, and obviously if it's tight, it reduces your stride slightly. So this is just going to open up your stride, keeping that going, controlling those arms, driving those arms up. It's good, and keeping that going. Keep focused, you're doing really well. Just think about what you're doing right now. You are investing in your health and fitness. All right, so let's have a look at the final move. So just keep sprinting for me. Now, final one's a tough one, but so are you. So we're going to do what I call jump stars. You do 4 of these jumps and then 4 star jumps. All right, but this is the last bit of today's workout. So let's go for gold and give me 4. Go 3, 2, and 1. Now 4 star jumps. 2 and 1. Take it back to that power jump. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going. Just think every jump of these, you are getting stronger, you are getting fitter. And also if running is something that you want to do more of, I'm going to also leave a link because I've got lots of blogs on running tips if you're pre-race, nutrition, etc. everything. All right, that's good. Last little bit. Keep going, doing really well. Those 4 star jumps, and then give me those 4 power jumps on there. Always try and land as softly as you can. Last little bit. Let's keep going to the end. Amazing. So what I want you to do for me now, last 10 seconds, just sprint as fast as you can. Imagine we've got the finish line there. Last little bit. Let's just keep going. You are amazing. You have done this, and well done. That is now your workout complete. So well done, there is your high five, you did it. So as you're doing, just carry on doing that right now, just so we can get your heart rate down. And what we've done, as I always say, the most important thing, we have invested, you and I at home today, in your future health. This is what it is all about. And definitely let me know in the comments down below how you found that workout. And also if you find that now when you run, say you're doing a 5k, have you beaten your time? Have you got a better time? Do let me know. So what I'd say is really important, always do a cool down stretch. I've got a link for this at the end of the video. And if you want more advice on running, I've got loads of blogs on running. I'm going to leave my website down below, so click on that. So well done. There's a high five. You did it, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.